Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to check in the Air France app. So make sure that your Air France app is downloaded, and then once it's downloading, open the app, and then you'll be greeted by this. So you can log in or sign up or just continue without logging in. So for now, I will continue without logging in. And then just click on accept. And then there are plenty of options right here. So you have home, buy now, bookings, flight status, and account. So to check in here, all you have to do is go to bookings and then click on this plus icon right here. And then all you have to do is enter your booking reference or ticket number and your last name. And then once you've added it, there will be an option that will allow you to check in. But if that doesn't work, what you can also do is exit the app, go to Safari, and then search for the Air France website. And then once you're here, click on the three lines right here, and then change your location on which country you are going to. So for example, I will choose France, and then there are two language options, either English or French. So I'll use English, and then when I click on the three bars again, as you can see, it says right there that the country is France. So for you to check in, there will be a check-in option right here at the bottom. Click on that. And then there you'll have two options, so you can check in with your account or you can check in with your booking details. So I will choose the check in with booking details, and then same as with the app, all you have to do is enter your ticket number or booking code, your last name, and then your flight number, and then just click on check in and continue with the process. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to check in the Air France app. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.